queens out there. All the queens. We lift you up as the light. Cause women, we wouldn't be nowhere without you. So I'm gonna dedicate this to you. Say what? Come on. Yeah. What? Come on.
There is a light that shines.
How it shine?
Special for you.
Yeah. I never knew a lot like this. Gotta be something for me to write this. Queen, I ain't seen you in a minute. Wrote this letter and finally decided to send it. Sign, seal, deliver for us to grow together. Love has no limit. Let's spin a slow forever. Your heart is weathered by what's done did to you. I ain't gonna start on. I did it true. Cause of you feelings I handle with care. Brothers recognize you like they can't handle the glare. Hey, I ain't the type to walk around with matching shirts. A relationship is epic. I'm at your work. Be the one to make you happiest, hurt you the most. The end is near. Come close to the most high. Regardless of what happened on him, let's rely. Yo, sing it to him.
You need someone.
Say what? Come on.
I will be by your
Sounds of Blackness. What you say? Come on. Yeah, go on.
There is a light that shines.
Say what? Come on.
Special for you.
Yo, it's kinda fresh. You listen to more than hip hop. Catch you in the mix from beauty to thrift shop. You shit pop and it's time to thinking you fresh. Suggested beats I should rhyme to. When I'm lost, I try to find you. You know to give me space when it's time to. My heart's dictionary defines you. Love and happiness. Truthfully, it's hard trying to practice abstinence. Time we committed love, it was real good. Had to be for me to rob, it still feel good. Sex ain't gon' keep you, but as my equal is how I must treat you. As my reflection, the light, I'ma lead you. And whatever's right, I'ma feed you. Yo, chicka-da, 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 chicka-chicka-da-da. Yo, I tell you the rest when I see you. Peace. Yo, sing it, y'all.
You need someone.
I can't hear you.
I will be by your side.
Let's go, baby, y'all to say what? Come on.
There is a light that shines.
How it shine?
Special for you.
One more time, break it down, dummy. Sing it, y'all.
There are times when you need someone.
Yeah, come on.
I will be by your side.
Yeah. St. Paul, Minneapolis, come on.
There is a light that shines.
It shines so.
Special for you and me.
Yo, chicka-da, chicka-da, chicka-chicka-da-da. Chicka-da, chicka-da, chicka-chicka-da-da. Chicka-da, chicka-da, chicka-chicka-da-da. Yo, I tell you the rest when I see you. Peace. How we feeling right now, y'all? We got songs of Blackness here. Gary, thank you so much. Thank you, y'all, for blessing us. I want to take this time to honor George Floyd and his spirit. I just want to take a moment, y'all. Let's just take it in this moment right now of why we here. And whatever you feel, you just feel that right now. Breathe it in right now. Just breathe it in. And breathe out. For the spirit and strength and love and truth of George Floyd, I thank you, God, for his life. I thank you for all he has contributed to his family, to his loved ones, and now to this world, God. And it's your presence that's keeping us strong. It's your presence that's with his family, and now we've all become family. It's your presence, God, that's keeping us connected with Jacob Blake's family, and Oscar Grant's family, and Trayvon Martin's family, and Brother Wright's family, and Rakia Boyd's family, and the family of Emmett Till. You know, I got to see Emmett Till's cousin just a second ago, Deborah. And she said, man, I'm here because I saw Emmett Till's mom stand in power. Even though she was in the most pain you could ever feel, she stood in power. She stood in peace and in love and showed people what children of God are like. And I want to thank Minnesota I want to thank Minneapolis and St. Paul for leading the way, showing us what the children of God are like. I'm walking up and down these streets and I feel love. I feel people that have overcome all this nonsense that America's put upon us. Let's face it, that whole police mentality was created on the plantation, the officers, the overseers. So it's some retraining that has to happen. Things gotta change, a new mentality. But y'all showing us the way. And I appreciate the city of Minnesota, because I'm a Chicagoan, y'all like our cousins. So I want to thank also Congresswoman Ilhan Omar, because she brought me to this city. She brought me to this city a year ago and I got to meet the people, the activists. Where my sisters over there? I got to meet my sisters right there. The people that was doing the work. So y'all keep doing the work, because y'all changing the world. And to the families, we here with y'all forever. God is with you. Brother Blake, you know we here. So we gonna dedicate this one to every name I mentioned. The names I didn't mention, I apologize. It's such a list that hurts your heart to say it.
Tiny.
But Philando Castile too, while I'm here. Philando Castile. So many. Rekia Boyd, Breonna Taylor. My sister. Bryant.
Dante Wright.
Marlon Bryant. All right. Let me make sure I get this name right. Rakaya Bryant. Yes. Okay. Thank you. God bless her soul. Yo, we gonna dedicate this to everyone who I just mentioned and the spirits that came before us as we salute them as the ancestors. This is Glory with Sounds of Blackness.
One day, when the glory comes, it will be ours, it will be ours. Oh, one day, when the war is won, we will be sure, we will be sure. Oh, glory, glory,
to the heavens, no man, no weapon formed against, yes, glory is destined. Everyday women and men become legends. Sins that go against our skin become blessings. The movement is a rhythm to us. Freedom is like religion to us. Justice is juxtaposition in us. Justice for all just ain't specific enough. One son died, his spirit is revisiting us. True and living in us. Resistance is us. That's why Rosa sat on the bus. That's why we walk through Minnesota with our hands up. When it goes down, we woman and man up. They say stay down, and we stand up. Shots we on the ground, the camera panned up. Keep running to the mountaintop, and we ran up. It's ours. One day,
when the war is won, it will be
so sure, y'all.
we will be sure.
We so sure.
Oh, glory, glory,
Now forever every man, woman, and child. Even Jesus got his crown in front of a crowd. They march with the torch, we gon' run with it now. Never look back, we done gone hundreds of miles. Dark roads, heroes, to become a hero. Facing the League of Justice, power was the people. Enemy is lethal, a king became regal. Saw the face of Jim Crow under a bald ego. The biggest weapon is to stay peaceful. We sing, our music is the cuts that we bleed through. Somewhere in a dream he had an epiphany. Now we right the wrongs in history. No one can win a war individually. It takes the wisdom of the elders. Young people's energy. Welcome to the story we call victory. There's coming another Lord, my eyes have seen the glory.
One day, when the glory comes, it will be yours.
It's ours, Minnesota. The glory is ours. One day,
when the war is won, we will be sure.
We so sure.
We will be sure.
We so sure. To God be the glory.
Hey,
Glory. To God be the
Glory. Glory.
Hey, glory.
Glory.
Hey, glory.
Glory.
Yeah.
Glory. Glory.
I want to thank Sounds of Blackness. I want to thank everybody who worked, and now everybody who worked to make things happen. Yeah. Right here in the square, I prepare. You can feel it in the air. I look right there and say, yeah, I care. For my people, yo, truth don't dare me to do it. We gon' do it all night. I do it for George Floyd and Dante Wright. And of course I do it. No, it's all sacred. I gotta do it for my man, yo, his name is Jacob. This is what I'm saying. My style is sort of freer. Of course I didn't just got a name, yo, Rakia. I do it for her, do it for Makaya. You know how it is. This is like fire. Yo, I'm inspired. Yo, I turn the mic over. I rock it for my people right here in Minnesota. We know how it be. Common sense, yes, y'all. I can stand tall like I'm in St. Paul, but this is Minneapolis. I keep on rapping this. Yo, I'm down with the sounds of blackness. This is optimistic when I rock and I can visit. This is how I come, yo, I speak it and I live it. This is how you know my style has never been hollow. I stand right here on 38th and Chicago. It's gonna be George Floyd Street. We honor his name, say his name, and this ain't for fame. This ain't no game. We breathe through the pain, and this is what we doing. It's our hearts and our brains doing the right thing. And yo, we all swing. And right there I heard God say,
When the war is over, the victory was. We'll come to the beat and we're soldiers, and we step along.
Sounds of Blackness, y'all. Thank you. God bless. My name is Common.